We're already inside Dubai Mall. So, kanina nagpunta ako sa Kinokuniya. That is one of my favorite places sa Dubai Mall dahil sa kanilang mga extensive collection of mangas and comic books. So, we're walking towards one of my favorite spots din dahil ito ay libre. So, punta tayo sa may Dubai Aquarium. So, if you want to go inside, the last time I checked, 50 dirhams yun eh. Ewan ko lang today. Okay? So, we'll see the Dubai Aquarium. Ayan, malapit na. And this is another spot where you can just hang out and chill. Nga lang at nakatayo ka.